Hello all, now we have come to a stage where the top centerpiece is synced with all the centerpieces of the side faces. Okay, so now the next step would be syncing the edge pieces of the top face. Okay, so we are going to find all the edge pieces and sync up with the color of the side face and the top face. Okay, so if you see this edge face carefully, there are three colors involved. Okay, the top color should sync with top, and what is in the left should sync with the left face, and what is in the right should sync with the right face. Okay, so we are going to pick up such piece so that it should sync with all the three pieces: the top center, left center, and right center. Okay, so that means red, blue, and white. Okay, red. Okay, this is the piece which we need to put it here. Okay, so I am moving it here and I'm seeing. Okay, so if this piece comes to this part, then it automatically gets synced. Okay, but the condition is the white face should look upward. Okay, so how we can do that is I'm just moving this piece aside, and what I'm going to do, since the white piece need to face upward, I'm going to rotate this upward portion of the Rubik's cube. Okay, and then this piece which I moved aside, I'm going to bring it back so that in this upward face it is getting synced. That is, the white has become the upward face when we rotated the cube. So now if we move it back, then it completely gets synced with all the three colors, that is white and red and blue. So again I can show you. Okay, so our scenario was the white, blue, and red was here, and we need to make this piece to come here, but our condition is the white piece need to look upward. So how we are going to make this piece, white piece, look upward is we are going to rotate the upward looking left face and then sync it with the piece which we were having previously, and then we can move it upward. You can do the other way around also. That means you can move this while moving this piece aside, you can move it backward also. But if it is here, while rotating it will be changing position, so that you can move it here also. Anywhere you can move, but the condition is while moving this piece, that piece which you want to sync it up with white piece should not get disturbed. So that I am keeping it either in here, this position, or this position. Okay, so if I keep in this position, I can move it like this, and I can sync up with the other three pieces. Okay, so similarly we need to do for all the other three pieces. Okay, so blue, orange, no, there is not a white piece, there is a yellow one. Okay, green, red, and white. There is green, red, and white. Yeah, this is the piece. So okay, white is facing here, so I am going to move it like this so that the white will face upward. So this green synced with this, red synced with this piece, it got synced. White, red, and orange. Sorry, blue and orange. So we need to make it go here. Okay, we separated that piece from the wrong alignment by making the piece come to the bottom face. Okay, so then we can sync up with the other three colors. So this white has to come here, so I am moving this piece back and fixing it and moving upward. Yes, got synced. Okay, then again green and orange, green and orange. Yes, that is the right place, but it has inverted it wrongly, so just we need to invert that. So how we can do, we just move that piece aside somewhere and rotate it back. Then we can do this and fix it here, but while doing this that piece goes up, so that we are going to make the piece rest in a position so that it won't get disturbed, and make this piece back and fix it back. Okay, so now all the edge pieces are synced with the center pieces of top and the side faces. For example, this white piece is synced with orange and green, similarly green and red, similarly blue and white, similarly orange and blue. Okay, so we have completed the step 2 here. Please get the step 3 from the next part of the video. Thank you all.